Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Maimo Watch R, and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. And unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, or maybe you want to sell it, give it away to somebody, anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. And to unpair our watch we need to open the Maimo Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we need to tap on device icon, and here you should see your Maimo Watch R. Now scroll down, find the option called More and tap on it, and here we have this button Remove. Tap on it, tap on Remove, and the watch will disappear from the app. It will reset to the factory default settings. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone to check if the watch is right here on the list. It's not, so we can close it, but if it was, you can just tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget Device or Remove Device, and once you remove it from this list, everything is done. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.